What's up, you guys? I'm back with a video. I know I've been super MIA, but I'm finally back. I feel like I keep saying that to you guys, but I really be out here playing. But it's about to be my favorite time of the year, which is spooky season. So I'm about to be dropping all these videos. Don't play with me. Anyways, you guys, let's get into this box. So I did end up making some of the pink berries because you know how on the album it has the little like ombre vibe sky and then like the dolphin is jumping out and stuff. Yeah, that's what we're doing here. You guys, let me know what you guys think down below about my dolphins. I am not a fan of how I draw them. Like you can see what they are, but I'm just not a fan of how they end up looking, especially the tail. I don't know what the hell I be doing that they always look dumb. But if you guys have any advice on how to draw a better dolphin, please let me know down below because your girl is still struggling on how to draw a freaking dolphin. And I be making this box like every other week. So you guys, this berry is probably the easiest one to do out of the whole freaking box. And y'all already know what the fuck it is. It's the sun. And if you didn't know that, girl, what is you doing? Anyways, go ahead and just do like a half circle, whatever, and fill in the whole freaking berry. Because, yeah, that's how a sun looks, duh. Once you're done filling in all of the sun, go ahead and just shake your berry. That way it's a little bit smoother and not super clumpy and stuff like that. And then go ahead and grab some red and do a bunch of squiggly lines up and down across the whole sun. It does not have to be perfect because the way I did mine are not perfect or beautiful. So yeah, go ahead and take your time doing this. It's super cute. It's gonna look fire as flick. And the last thing for this berry is drawing the little birds and we're done. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I feel like this berry has to be the hardest one out of the whole dozen. Only because it really takes like a lot of time to practice the writing with chocolate. And even though I'm still not happy with how my writing in chocolate still looks, I think this berry came out really cute. But make sure to practice like on some silicone mats or whatever before you actually write on the berry. Because you just need some practice. Like, trust me, I cannot. Also, you guys, obviously this says, no eres bebecita, eres bebesota, friquitón. I'm just kidding, it doesn't say the whole thing. But it do say that little front part or whatever because you already know, bad bitches only. But yeah, like I ended up messing up, and what helps me when it comes to like messing up with chocolate on a berry is grabbing a toothpick and just scraping it off. But you have to be very gentle because you can easily like, how do I say, like go super deep, you know what I'm saying? Like get your mind out the gutter, you little nasties, because I'm still talking about my chocolate. But yeah, you see how you can't even see that I messed up? Yup. Bam, girl. I'm a professional. Don't play with me when it comes to chocolate and a strawberry. And you guys know I'm always extra, so I did go back and do little hearts. Now this berry is very, 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 very simple, but it's very, very cute. I did end up doing like, you know, obviously this whole box is like Un Verano Sin Ti inspo as fuck vibes, like the album cover. So I wanted the letters to match what the album has on it, and it's gonna be like Bad Bunny with the red background and the yellow letters. So I ended up doing red letters at the beginning, and then I'm gonna go back and do yellow on top of the red. That way it gives that illusion. And yeah, this berry is super cute but simple, you know what I'm saying? And we're going to be doing the same exact thing with this berry, except this one's going to say Un Verano Sin Ti. And we're going to go back again with the yellow and put it right on top of this one. And here come my handy dandy toothpick to save this berry. You guys, I did decide to leave these clips in because people swear that I never mess up. But it's like, I do mess up on berries all the time, on art, all of that. But toothpicks are my best friend. At this point, these toothpick companies better send me some. because I be using them all the time to fix my stuff for my berries, all of that good stuff. So, you know what I'm saying? Sponsor me. Sponsor your girl or whatever. You guys, doesn't the yellow on top of this red just look so freaking good? I absolutely love how these berries came out. I know that they're really simple and like damn near basic, but I feel like they're just so cute and perfect and clean. Like, I don't know. I really love how these look. Let me know what you guys think. And before I forget, let me know what you guys want to see for spooky season. I want to start recording videos already for that. And I don't know, I feel like I've made almost all of the movies. Obviously not for YouTube, but for my TikTok, I have made a lot of spooky content. But I want to make them for my YouTube. So let me know if you guys want to see like a Scream box. Pennywise or whatever. Oh, let me know what you guys' favorite scary movie is, because mine's in between it and Scream. But I want to lean toward I don't know, I'm gonna think about it. And don't forget to add the little birds. I think they end up looking super cute and tie everything up together. But anyways, for this next berry, make sure to start off with an orange base, because the berry it needs to damn near be orange. And when you mix that all in, go back and do a little bit of white and then add a little bit more orange food coloring, and that's how you get this vibe on the berry. And I think it looks absolutely amazing, because that's how the bottom of his album be looking. And you know what I'm saying? Like, we gotta match it. So for the next part, you're gonna need to get the same blue that we used for the last berry, and go ahead and just do like a squiggly line and fill in the top, because it's gonna be like sky vibes, you know what I'm saying? So after that, I went ahead and just drew on a palm tree. You guys, my palm trees are not that cute. Like, I really try, and I just don't know, they don't end up looking like palm trees to me. Somebody help me, because I just can't draw a palm tree to save my life. So I did end up doing 2 of these berries, I believe. And they're probably the most detailed berries out of the whole dozen, just because you have to like wait till everything dries and then do the next step. And yeah, so it just takes a little bit longer to do these berries, but once they're done, they look so nice. And at the bottom, of course, just like the album, I went ahead and drew 2 berries on this one. And then, two berries, I meant 2 flowers. And on the other strawberry that I did, I only added 1, because on the album cover, there's only 3 flowers. And then this berry is so freaking cute! I swear I say that about every single one of these strawberries, but I promise you guys that I just love how they end up looking. They're like so nice and adorable. Like, I can't. But this berry is so easy to make. You know what? At the beginning, when I said that one berry was the easiest one to make, I was lying. I really was, because some of these berries are so easy. I feel like actually they're all easy to me now. But especially these where it's just lines. Like, you guys, this whole box is fucking easy to make. Don't play. Do not listen to me at the beginning. I was lying. And is it even a Bad Bunny box if we don't add this in? Like, come on, think about it. It's a freaking conejo. You gotta add it in. It's so cute. So this one's also easy. It's an easy A, y'all. Just do the crosses, the little mouth or whatever, and add some bunny ears. The mold that I did use for that bunny ear, though, I got it 3-4 years ago at Michael's. And I'll try to link it down below, but I can't promise it because I bought it so long ago and I never seen it ever again. But I'll try to find the mold that I used for that bunny. Since on my other little face berry, what was it called? Like the little heart. It's because it's not shaped like a heart, so I don't want to call it the heart berry. But you guys know what I mean, right? The little sad heart that I made earlier. I had to draw it on another berry because I wanted to be an actual heart. And I wanted to draw the freaking legs and stuff. Oh my god, I actually forgot to record the whole thing, so you guys will see it at the end. To all my real ass Bad Bunny fans out here watching me too, do not hate me. Don't freaking hate me because I did this wrong. Can you guys believe I fucked up this berry? I didn't realize this until hecka later, and I've already made 3 boxes like this, and I finally realized that I've been making this berry wrong. Comment down below if you guys know what I mean. And yeah, only real fans will notice. I'm gonna stop talking so you guys can enjoy how beautiful these berries all look together, okay? I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to let me know what I should do next for spooky season. And yeah, like, let me know what you guys think of this box. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. It's Magalis_sweets on everything else. And don't forget to check out the description down below to see what I used. Bye!